Eunji, Eunji, Zico, Seung-yeon, Park Bong, Naeun. More Naeun 114 of 138 the best K-pop singers of all time, 32 of 49 the best K-pop idol actors and actresses, 23 of 52 the best K-pop idol selfies. Jun Hyoseong. More Jun Hyoseong 107 of 115 the best K-pop solo artists, 1 of 3 vote. Sandara Park. More Sandara Park 15 of 59 the best YG entertainment artists ever. Ranked 61 of 138 the best K-pop singers of all time, 61 of 115 the best K-pop solo artists. Hyuna. More Hyuna 15 of 52 the best JYP entertainment artists ever. Ranked 56 of 165 the best K-pop dancers of all time, 90 of 271 the sexiest musical artists of all time. Krystal Jung, Sehun, Yura. More Yura 37 of 52 the best K-pop idols selfies, 286 of 301 full list of K-pop idol Instagram usernames, 2 of 4 vote. Who is the best Girls' Day member? Bae Suzy. Or Bae Suzy 14 of 52 the best JYP entertainment artists ever. Ranked 16 of 74 the best K-drama actresses of all time, 12 of 80 the best Korean actresses of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.